So today you get to start testing your forks. You should open the test page of your engineering design notebook and follow along as we go through it. You should see that the test description is at the top, and then you will use a number scale to get the results of your test. So let's look at design first. If experiment number 1 looks ugly or looks bad, you will put a 1 in the box. If experiment number 2 looks good, then you'll put a 3 in the box. You just want to rank them in that order. For cost, use the information at the bottom to compare prices. You should find the cost, dollars, per gram for each substrate to determine which is the cheapest, middle, and most expensive. I'll give you a hint. Agar is the most expensive. So I'll put a 1 in the box for experiments 4, 5, and 6. To determine the color of the forks, just hold it up to the light. If it's transparent, which means see-through, then put a 3 in the box. If it is opaque or solid and not see-through, then put a 1 in the box. Somewhere in the middle is going to be a 2. To test if the fork is stain resistant, you should use a dropper to add 3 drops of coffee to your fork. Wipe it off gently with a paper towel. If it is stained after you've wiped it off, you will put a 1 in the box. If it has not changed color at all, you can put a 3 in the box. These tests, design, cost, color, and stain resistance, can be done in any order. Once you have completed the first 4 tests, then you can move on to durability and freezing. By the end of today, if you do not get to durability, don't worry about durability. I want you to try to get through as many of the 4 tests, design, cost, color, and stain resistance, and everyone must put their forks in the freezer today. Please listen to these instructions so that everyone knows how to test the freezing of their fork. Put a small piece of tape around your fork and label that tape with your experiment number. Grab a ziploc baggie and put your group's number and class period on there, and you are going to put all of your forks into that bag, and you'll know which one is which because each of them have been taped and labeled. Place your forks carefully into the freezer in the mini fridge, and we will check on them later to determine if they pass the test. So try to get all 4 of your tests, design, cost, color, and stain resistance, and freezing done by the end of class today. If you don't get to one of the tests, make sure that you still put them in the freezer because of our schedule this week.